Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Telegram update problem solve. If your Telegram software is not updated, then this video is for you. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. You can solve the problem very easily. Watch the full video. Click Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Tap on App Management option. Scroll down and find Play Store app. Click Play Store app. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Open Google Play Store. Then search Telegram app. Click Telegram app. Click Update. As you can see, my problem is solved. If your problem is still not resolved, see the next step. Uninstall the Telegram software, install on your phone. After uninstalling, open any browser. Click search bar, then type Telegram old version APK. Click this website. Download and install the latest version from here. After installing, open the Play Store software. Then search Telegram app. Now we will see your software is already updated. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.